Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 29th. I'm Alex, and this is Main Street Briefing. Today's the Fed day. A rate decision this afternoon, a bigger SBA loan ceiling worth knowing, and what June's retail sales say about your customers. 3 stories, 5 minutes, done. The Federal Reserve announces its rate decision this afternoon, and economists broadly expect a hold. The benchmark staying at 3.5 to 3.75% for a 5th straight meeting. The number that actually touches your business is the prime rate, sitting at 6.75%, because that's what your variable line of credit and most SBA loans are priced against. A hold means no relief on borrowing costs, and if the Fed does surprise anyone, variable rate balances reprice within a billing cycle or two. So the cost of the money you already owe can move before you've planned for it. If you've been waiting for cheaper credit before you borrow, this is the 5th meeting that wait hasn't paid off, and the higher for longer stance suggests it may not soon. The lesson isn't to stop borrowing, it's to stop pricing your plans around a cut that keeps not coming. What to watch? Total up every variable rate balance you carry today, and if the interest alone is crowding your monthly cash flow, price out a fixed rate refinance this week rather than betting on a cut you can't control. Some genuinely good news from the SBA. As of early July, eligible borrowers can now combine 7A and 504 loans for up to $10 million in government-backed financing, double the old $5 million cap and the highest ceiling in the agency's history. For a business that's actually growing and eyeing commercial real estate, major equipment, or an acquisition, that limit just stopped being the wall the deal runs into. It won't matter to every shop, and it's not free money. It's still debt you have to service. But if expansion is genuinely on your 2-year horizon, the financing math quietly moved in your favor, and SBA-backed rates often beat conventional terms on longer assets. The window to explore it is before you've signed anything, not after. What to watch? If you're planning a purchase over $1 million, book a call with an SBA preferred lender this month to see whether the combined structure lowers your blended rate against conventional financing, and a read on your customers. Retail sales rose just 0.2% in June as the boost from spring tax refunds faded and shoppers turned cautious. Flat sales while your own costs keep climbing is the exact squeeze a lot of owners are living in right now, and it won't loosen on its own. The useful signal underneath the number is that customers are still spending. They've just gotten choosier, which rewards clear, obvious value and punishes lazy across-the-board discounting that only trains people to wait for your next sale. You want the sale that lifts the basket, not the one that shrinks the margin. What to watch? Instead of a store-wide markdown, bundle 2 of your steadiest sellers into one visible value offer this week and track whether it lifts your average ticket without cutting into your margin. That's your Wednesday. I'm Alex. Back tomorrow with 3 more. Make it count.